The star that whispers. The year was 2015, and the world hummed along as it always had. People went about their lives unaware that the universe was about to reveal a secret, a faint, flickering whisper from the depths of space. Far from the city's clamor and noise, in the stillness of an observatory, a story began to unfold. Tabitha Boyajian, an astronomer with a curiosity as boundless as the cosmos, leaned closer to her monitor. The Kepler Space Telescope, her faithful companion, had been quietly gathering light from the stars scattered across the constellation Cygnus. To most, its data would seem an indecipherable script of numbers and graphs. But to Tabby, it was music. Cosmic notes from a symphony older than time itself. Then the harmony broke. A flicker, a disruption in the starlight. Over 1,400 light years away, a star dimmed, not gently, like a planet passing before it, but wildly, erratically, as if a cosmic hand had drawn back a curtain, then slammed it shut. The star, known only as KIC 8462852, was misbehaving. Tabby's pulse quickened. Stars didn't act like this. Something was out there. Something strange. The star's secret. The whispers of Tabby's star spread like wildfire. Scientists around the world turned their telescopes toward the anomaly, their curiosity burning brighter than the stars they studied. At first, they sought simple explanations. A swarm of comets, perhaps, or debris from a shattered planet. But the patterns refused to conform. The flickering wasn't chaotic. It had a rhythm, a pulse, as if the universe was trying to speak. And when natural explanations fell short, a bolder theory emerged, one whispered with both excitement and hesitation. What if this wasn't natural at all? What if it was something else? The alien question. In the quiet corners of the scientific community, a daring idea took shape. The flickering might be the work of an advanced civilization. Perhaps they had constructed a Dyson swarm, a web of colossal solar panels encircling their star, harvesting its energy to fuel their world. To some, it sounded like the stuff of science fiction, but to others, it was a possibility too compelling to ignore. If such a civilization existed, what did their ambition look like? Were they builders, reaching for the stars? Or destroyers, dismantling their worlds in pursuit of progress? For a fleeting moment, humanity dared to dream. Were we watching the work of beings far older and wiser than ourselves? And if they could see us, what might they think of our fragile little world? The world awakens. News of Tabby's star captivated the imagination of billions. Headlines screamed of alien megastructures. Television hosts speculated. Poets wrote verses to a star that might hold the answer to humanity's oldest question. Are we alone? People across the world looked up at the night sky with renewed wonder. Could there be a world spinning around that flickering light with eyes staring back at us? Were we connected across the abyss? Two civilizations divided by light years, but bound by the same ancient questions? The silence. And then, just as mysteriously as it began, the star grew silent. The flickering ceased, leaving only a still and steady light. Telescopes turned away, their curiosity dulled by the quiet. Yet, for those who had glimpsed its strange rhythm, Tabby's star lingered like a haunting melody, half heard and unfinished. Was it a message we had failed to decode? Or had the sender, if there ever was one, moved on? The what-if of the ages. Imagine for a moment that the alien megastructure theory is true. An ancient civilization long ago began its grand project, a Dyson swarm to gather their star's energy. Perhaps they triumphed, their world shining with the light of their star. Or perhaps they reached too far, dismantling their own planets in the name of progress, only to discover too late the cost of their ambition. What if their flickering light wasn't just a beacon? What if it was a warning, a whisper through the void? We reached for the stars, and this is what it cost. The mystery lives on. Today, Tabby's star remains an enigma. Its flickering has faded, but its story has not. Somewhere in the depths of space, it still burns, a quiet reminder of how much we have yet to learn, and how much we have yet to dream. Perhaps one day we will find the answers. Perhaps we will even build our own Dyson swarm, reaching out to touch the stars. But until that day, we watch and we wonder. Because every flicker in the darkness carries a question. What lies beyond? And are we truly alone? In the quiet of the night, as the stars blink above, Tabby's star whispers back, "Keep looking. The story isn't over."